Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all of you. This is for the class 3rd, and today we are going to start our 7th chapter, and the name of this chapter is Parts of a Plant. Students, in this chapter we will see what are plants and how they are useful for us. Students, there are lots of plants around us. Some plants are big, whereas some are small. But all types of plants that are present in this world are useful for us. Students, we will see how many parts does a plant have. A plant is having two parts. Number first one is called as root, and number second one is called as shoot. Students, root is that part of the plant that grows below the ground, and shoot is that part of the plant that grows above the ground. It includes stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So students, root is that part of the plant that grows below the ground, and shoot is that part of the plant that grows above the ground, and it includes the parts like stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Students, root is the part of plant that supports the plant throughout its life. It absorbs water from the soil. It absorbs minerals from the soil, and it forms the base of a plant. Students, without root, a plant cannot survive. So, root forms the base of a plant. Students, roots are of two kinds. Number first one is called as tap root, and number second one is called as fibrous root. We will see what are tap roots and what are fibrous roots. Students, some plants have one main root, and this grows from the end of the stem into the soil. Then many small roots grow from this main root, and this kind of root is called as tap root. Students, once again I will repeat. Tap root, it is the main root. It grows from the stem and goes into the soil. Then many small roots grow from this main root, and this is called as tap root. Students, this tap root is present in the plants like mustard, bean, hibiscus. Mustard plant, bean and hibiscus are having the tap roots. Now we will see what are fibrous roots. Students, some plants have many thin and bushy roots that start growing from the end of the stem into the leaves, into the soil, So these thin and bushy roots together are called as fibrous roots. Students, fibrous roots are present in the plants like wheat plant, rice plant and onion. They are having fibrous roots. Now students, we will see what are the uses of roots. Students, number first, uses of roots. Students, roots, as I already told you, they form the base of a plant, so they fix a plant firmly in the soil. Without root, a plant cannot survive. Number 2, students, roots take nutrients and water from the soil and give it to the plant. Number 3rd point, students, roots store food in some plants store food in roots like carrot, radish. They are the edible roots, that is, they are eaten as food. Why they are eaten as food? Because these roots store food in them. So students, this was the introduction of the chapter parts of a plant. A plant is having two parts, root and shoot. Root is that part that grows below the ground and shoot grows above the ground. It includes stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Students, root supports the plant and absorbs water and minerals. And there are two kinds of roots. Number 1 is tap root and number 2 is fibrous root. And uses of roots: it fixes firmly a plant in the soil, takes nutrients and water, and some roots store food in roots like carrot and radish are edible roots. Now students, a homework: what is the difference between tap and fibrous root? What is the difference between tap root and fibrous root? Thank you.